as you can see in the title of this vlog, we are going to unbox the 2020 M1 MacBook Pro. I also added an accessories haul for the things I bought from my laptop. So let's get into it! By the way, if you're one of those people who enjoy watching satisfying unboxing videos, I suggest that you tune in until the end of the vlog for more satisfying unboxing moments. Enjoy!
Banc. Banc.
As you can see guys, I chose the silver over the space gray because I find it more elegant somehow. Let's proceed now to the contents of the box. We know how Apple does this, right? We have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. It is 2 meters long. We have the paperwork. And the silver stickers. So the next one is this 61-watt USB-C power adapter. You probably noticed that this part varies depending on the countries of source. That will not be an issue because this part is removable, so it can be replaced by the appropriate plug. Moving on to the laptop itself. This is very light compared to my old laptop. Best for law school once the on-site class resumes. That is the real reason why Jasen gave this to me as a gift. So I'll just set this up and I'll get back to you guys. Toodles! Finally done setting this up, so let's proceed with the accessories haul. If for anything else, I shot the haul on a different day, so you'll notice the difference. Oh, let's skip this one because technically it is not an accessory to my MacBook. It is a photo paper which I ordered from National Bookstore. But I enjoy popping the bubble wraps. So the first item is this USB Type-C hub. What I got is the 6-in-1 because it has a memory card reader, which is necessary for my vlogging because I have a Canon camera. I bought this because the MacBook only has 2 ports. It also comes with a freebie, which is a cord organizer. So let's try this one kung mag-work. The next item here is a clear or transparent laptop case. This is a must-buy for me, knowing how clumsy myself is. Here's the screen protector that I will not be using because based on my research, they do not recommend this because you will not be able to enjoy the Retina display feature of MacBook. And here is the tiny covers. I'd probably lose this anytime soon. So this one is kasama din, so let's try. Apple doesn't recommend also the use of the keyboard protector because you are not supposed to put anything in between the screen and your keyboard because there's a risk that the screen might crack. Let's proceed to the next item. The next item is a laptop bag. It also comes with a pouch if we will just add, I think, 60 or 90 pesos. By the way, I will be putting all the links of the shops from which I bought all these accessories for your future reference. Here's the cute little pouch. I love that it has its own handle. I can put here the adapter, the cords, the dongle, or even my cell phone, I think. So here's your laptop bag. It can be attached to your trolley or to your luggage. There's another pocket here where the handles are kept if you want to convert the handbag to a sling. The inside of the bag is well padded, so I'm quite confident that my laptop will be protected. Lastly, I also bought this portable laptop stand to achieve a more ergonomic study area setup. Remember that your laptop should be angled in a way that in your neutral working or studying position, your eyes should be looking within 1/3 of the upper portion of your computer screen. So that is it, guys. Just recently, the Supreme Court and banc approved the digitalized and proctored modality of the 2021 bar examinations starting this November. So the bar takers are required to bring their own Wi-Fi-enabled laptops, which have an integrated display screen, keyboard, trackpad, or pointer device with sufficient internal battery power. So the laptops must run on either on Mac or Windows operating systems, and the government will not permit pirated or fake versions of the operating systems. They even provided a list of those which are allowable for the purpose of taking the digitalized bar exam. Included in that list is Big Sur, which is the current Mac OS of the M1 MacBook Pro. So I hope this video helped you somehow in deciding which laptop to buy, or for some other reasons too. Thank you if you have reached this part of the video, and have a great day.